माजिद एंड ब्रदर्स की जानिब से नेक्स्ट जेन ईवी मोटर्स ईवी शोरूम 18 साल से कम उम्र के बच्चों के लिए बेहतरीन खूबसूरत बैटरी की गाड़ियां, जहां 35,999 से शुरू बैटरी की गाड़ियां हैं मौजूद, जिसको लाइसेंस आरसी नंबर प्लेट की जरूरत नहीं।
शहर हैदराबाद के इलाके टोली चौकी में वाक़ई ईस्टर ग्रामर स्कूल में आज LSD लर्नर सिनॉप्सिस डे का शानदार पैमाने पर इनेकाद अमल में लाया गया, जहां पर तुलबा व तालिबात ने पूरे तालीमी साल में हासिल की जाने वाली तालीम को पुरएतमाद अंदाज में पेश किया। इस मौके पर वालिदैन की बड़ी तादाद ने शिरकत की और बच्चों की बेहतरीन कारकर्दगी को खूब ज़्यादा सराहा गया। तुलबा ने शानदार मॉडल्स और मौसर प्रेजेंटेशंस के ज़रिए अपनी सलाहियतों का बेहतरीन मुजाहरा पेश किया, जिससे ये प्रोग्राम इंतहाई ज़्यादा कामयाब रहा। तकरीब की मेहमान खुसूसी चंद्रिका ने बच्चों के एतमाद और बेहतरीन अंदाज बयान की भरपूर खुलकर तारीफ़ें की। स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल मोहतरमा रीना अजूबा ने कहा कि इदारा तुलबा में एतमाद पैदा करने और इन्हें इज़हार ख्याल के मौके फराहम करने के लिए खुसूसी तवज्जो देता है, ताकि बच्चे अपनी सीख को मौसर अंदाज में पेश कर सके। ये प्रोग्राम बच्चों की सलाहियतों को निखारने और तालीमी तरक्की को फ़रोग़ देने की एक बेहतरीन मिसाल साबित पेश हुई। आइए देखते हैं इस खुसूस में स्कूल के प्रोग्राम के चंद मनाज़िर। नुमाइंदा रिपोर्टर शेख वाहिद की एशियन टीवी न्यूज़ चैनल के लिए ये खास रिपोर्ट।
Hello everyone, I am Reena, Principal, Esther Grammar School, Tolichoki. Today we have conducted LSD. LSD is nothing but Learner Synopsis Day. Throughout the year, whatever children learned, they showcased it today in front of parents, neighbors, well-wishers, and they spoke very well, they presented very well. This gives knowledge to the children, and they can build up their public speaking talent. So through such activities, we are encouraging children to have confidence in their lives. So thank you so much. So it's a very great opportunity for children as well as teachers to showcase their skills, talents. So Esther Grammar School is located in Tolichoki. Anyone who is seeking for admissions can come to office and enroll your child. It is located in Tolichoki, Suryanagar Colony. Thank you.
Greetings everyone, I am Ms. Chandrika. It's been a privilege today to witness this exhibition in Esther Grammar School. I'd like to appreciate the efforts of the students and the confidence they have carried throughout their presentations, and we have to appreciate even the efforts of the teachers. They did a lot of hard work and we can see it everywhere, and I would like to thank Reena ma'am and Victor sir for calling me here. It is really a wonderful experience and I can see their hard work. I wish many more for their students and for even Esther Grammar School. Thank you so much.
శుభోదయం. నీ అందరికీ నా పేరు షేక్ సఫియాన్. మామిడి పండు తీపి, ద్రాక్ష పండు తీపి, జామ పండు తీపి, అరటి పండు తీపి, చింతా చెట్లు పులుపు, చింతకాయ పులుపు, నారింజ పులుపు, నిమ్మకాయ పులుపు, కాకరకాయ చేదు, కాకరాకు చేదు, వేపకాయ చేదు, వేపాకు చేదు, వలక్కాయ వగరు, ఉసిరికాయ వగరు, కరక్కాయ వగరు, నేరేడు వగరు, మిరియాలు కారం, మిరపకాయ కారం, వండిన కూర కారం, ఎండిన లవంగ కారం, సముద్రము నీరు ఉప్పు, పట్టిన చెమట ఉప్పు. ధన్యవాదము. Good morning respected teachers, parents and my dear friends. My name is Ahmed. I am from class 5th. Today I am going to explain life cycle of a frog. A frog life cycle has 4 stages. First is the egg stage. A frog lays eggs in water. This egg float on water. Second is the tadpole stage. The eggs hatch into tadpole. Tadpole live in water. They have a tail and they breathe through gills. Third is the froglet stage. The tadpole grows legs. Its tail becomes shorter. It starts breathing through lungs. Fourth is the adult stage. I mean the frog stage. The tail completely disappears. The frog can live on both land and water. The adult frog lays eggs again. Thus, the life cycle of frog is completed. Thank you. Good morning everyone present here. My name is Pratyush and I am from 3rd class. I am here to explain water cycle. The water cycle is the journey of water on earth. First, the sun needs water, forms rivers and oceans. This water turns into vapor. This is called evaporation. Next, the vapor cools, water forms clouds. This is called condensation. When the clouds become heavy, water falls as rain. This is called precipitation. Then the water is getting collected. This is called collection. The water cycle repeated again and again helps all living things survive. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Mohammad Zishan. I am studying in 5th class. Today my topic is types of clouds. First I will tell you what is clouds. Clouds are made up of tiny water droplets and float in the sky. They tell us about weather. First point is cumulus clouds. Cumulus clouds, these are white and fluffy clouds. They show sunny and pleasant weather. Second point is stratus clouds. Flat and grey clouds. They cover the sky like a blanket and bring cloudy weather. Cirrus clouds, thin and feathery clouds. They are very high in the sky and show good weather. Nimbus clouds, these are dark clouds that bring rain and storm. Stratocumulus clouds, low thick clouds that appear in groups and sometimes bring light rain. Cumulus nimbus clouds, tall dark clouds that bring heavy rain and thunderstorm. Thank you.
18 साल से कम उम्र के लड़के और लड़कियों के लिए अजीम पेशकश। हैदराबाद दक्कन में एक नुमाया नाम माजिद एंड ब्रदर्स की जानिब से नेक्स्ट जेन ईवी मोटर्स ईवी शोरूम जो बहादुरपुरा चौराहा किशनबाग रोड हैदराबाद में मौजूद है, जहां पर आपकी ख्वाहिश के मुताबिक 18 साल से कम उम्र के बच्चों के लिए बेहतरीन और खूबसूरत बैटरी की गाड़ियां मौजूद, जिसको लाइसेंस आरसी नंबर प्लेट की जरूरत नहीं है। इस गाड़ी को कम उम्र लड़के लड़कियां स्कूल और कॉलेज के लिए इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। इनके अलावा औरतें और सीनियर सिटीजन भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, जिसमें 10 ता 12 मॉडल्स दस्तयाब है, जिसकी कीमत सिर्फ 35,999 से शुरू होकर 86,999 पर खत्म होती है, जिसमें मोटर और कंट्रोलर की वारंटी 2 साल है, बैटरी चार्जर की वारंटी 1 साल है। ये तमाम मॉडल्स नेक्स्ट जेन मोटर्स बहादुरपुरा पर मौजूद है। मजीद तफसीलात के लिए 9246109197 या फिर 9246209197 पर रब्त करें।